This cruise disaster cost over $2 billion, and it started with one mistake. Here are the 5 most expensive cruise ship disasters ever recorded. Stay close. Every second counts. A luxury liner runs aground. A night everyone thought was safe turns deadly. It was January 2012. Costa Concordia deviated from its plotted course. A daring shore salute toward Isola del Giglio. Calm seas, moonlit sky. On board, laughter, routine, confidence. Then, impact. Rocks tear the hull, water rushing in, power falters. A shudder, an unsettling tilt. Orders unclear. Fear takes the mic. Doors stuck. Corridors flood cold sea. Some guided to muster. Others hunt for family. The liner lists, then lies on her side. Hundreds stranded. Stairwells become traps. Glass becomes shrapnel. Rescue swells beyond any routine. 32 lives lost. Salvage, trials, reputation sunk, billions in damage. A single navigational error shattered trust. Culture, oversight, risk. Indicted. Imagine drifting for days. No power. Raw sewage flooding corridors. In February 2013, Carnival Triumph became a case study in misery. A fire crippled propulsion and power. Systems failed. Lights dim, air still. Heat rose, food spoiled. Elevators froze. A moving hotel reduced to a drifting shell. Fans failed. Pumps failed. Sanitation collapsed. Tension swelled among 4,000 souls. Under tow, with makeshift fixes, still far from normal. Rumors churned. Morale collapsed. Evacuations, massive repair bills, lawsuits, a bruised brand. Claims piled up. For repairs and broken promises, redundancy and maintenance are non-negotiable. One fire, one shutdown. Civilization on board, paused. Trust proved fragile when dignity failed. These are costs no balance sheet captures. A supposedly unsinkable ship meets nature's fury, and electronics blink out. A marvel of modern engineering, systems, spectacle, confidence. But sudden storms expose hidden vulnerabilities. In 2016, a violent system tested those limits. Walls of water slammed the hull. Systems stuttered under forces beyond design. Training met indifference of the sea, and chaos won minutes. Debris flew, glass shattered. Crew secured passengers amid rolling floors and failing comms. Cabin shelter, flickers, whispers, and a scream. Broken bones, fear, then relief, steady hands, repairs and claims, millions in emergency costs and downtime. A tough truth, hull strength isn't the same as safety. Margins of safety, reassessed. Even the newest giants are vulnerable to one savage storm. Sophistication can't replace humility before weather. A coastal voyage becomes a desperate scramble. Engines die in raging seas. A scenic route, then a dead ship in hostile water. Geography and weather closed in, minute by minute. The coast drew nearer, brutally clear. Lifeboat launches, frantic, battered by the sea. Eyes fixed on rock and spray. Calls went out. Help launched. Rotor thunder overhead. People lifted one by one between ship and sky. Hundreds evacuated. Damage carved into steel and memory. Repairs, liability, logistics. Expensive and complex. Beyond invoices, psychological fracture. The line between cruise and calamity is thin. Engines are lifelines. Coastlines can be traps. And rescue crews, valor against the sea. A hidden fire spreads unseen, until smoke chokes hulls and alarms wail. It began as a whisper, not a roar. A smoldering ember in a ship's warren. On ships, flames travel through vents and hidden voids. A cabin fire found air and time. By full alarm, it had crept behind the walls. Smoke turned safety into poison. Teams fought heat they could barely see. Terrified guests followed lights and calm voices. Fire overtook sections, then yielded. On board and ashore, they cut off its path. Long, costly, draining hours. Damage, repairs, claims. Another costly nightmare. Ledgers miss the trauma in those choking corridors. Money restores steel and paint, not memory. A small spark can upend lives and balance sheets. Vigilance and early detection are lifelines. We have walked through 5 nights of terror and 5 catalogs of loss. Different origins, similar consequences. Some begin with human error, others with mechanical failure, many with nature's snap judgment. The money is staggering, but the real currency is trust, fragile and easily broken. After lawsuits, repairs, and headlines come lessons. Respect maintenance, fear weather, follow protocol, and command clearly when everything shakes. Regulators acted, companies changed, engineers rebuilt redundancy. Yet the sea keeps teaching, indifferent. If this shocked you, like and share to warn others. And this is why cruise disasters are more common than you think.